Hey, so I just filmed this look. I'm looking out the window right now. It's snowing. It's crazy. We're supposed to have a blizzard. I think they said like 2 to 3 feet. I can't believe it. But I actually wanted a blizzard. If anyone that knows me, they always say, "Why you want a blizzard?" I'm like, "Cause the city's gonna shut down. Who's gonna risk their lives going to work? It's like a free snow day. Like, hello." But yeah, it's snowing right now. It's 9:18. I got up early. I don't have to go to work till 12 o'clock. Then I got up early. I was like, let me vlog. Let me get on the little YT real quick. But yeah, I don't really have much to say, which is a miracle because I always have something to say. But yeah, I've been working, trying to, just push forward with my goals. Like I said, I have a lot of things to do on my days off. I want to make a few phone calls because, to be honest with you, like being at a stand, I'm not saying that I'm at a standstill, but not saying I'm at a standstill, but what I'm trying to say is like sometimes being in one place and you're not happy, it makes you an unhappy person. And I don't want to start hate because I used hate the other day. I was like, I hate. And I said, you know what? I'm poisoning myself. I can't say I hate someone because I'm giving you the power to basically make me be miserable. And I don't want to be a miserable person. I'm a very lively and energetic person. I'm very eccentric. So with that being said, I was like, you know what? I'm not going to say hate anymore. I'm not going to say hate. I'm going to say strongly dislike because I just can't sometimes. You try your best just to be who you are, and it's just never enough. Like, you ever had that and you're like just trying to do something, you're trying to reach your goal at work or just in life, and someone always just has something negative to say, but that's just a reflection on that person. It doesn't reflect you. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and vlog real quick. It's snowing. It's been snowing for a while now. It's accumulating, but I think they said around 1 o'clock it's supposed to start coming down like 2 to 4 inches per hour. And I'm just on the couch. I'm always on the couch, just relaxing. I love my couch. I'm like, whenever I'm home, I'm on the couch. It's like I just sit here like I'm on the couch. I fall asleep on the couch. I watch TV on the couch. I take naps on the couch. I just love to be on the couch. Like, you have your sweet spot. And it's like, it's like my couch is my sweet spot. It's like, I just love to be on my couch. But yeah, it's like, it's snowing. I'm going to see if I can show you guys. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, see, it's snowing outside. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, I'm back on the couch. I love my couch. I'm obsessed. But yeah, I'm just gonna hang out here for a little while until I have to go to work. I'm actually waiting for Cablevision. That's why I said, you know what, let me get up early and get dressed, because I'm not leaving no cable person in my house and I'm like in the back. It's not happening. But yeah, waiting for Cablevision. Hopefully they come before I go to work, because if not, they just gonna have to come another day. But yeah, I just really like my makeup today. I don't know, it's like the days when I do eye makeup, it just seems like, why am I wasting my time? I don't know, like I'm just very lazy when it comes to work makeup. Like if I'm going to work, honestly, I'm not wearing eyeshadow. You'll get like the bare minimum of glam from me. I'm just being honest. I'm not saying I've been in a rut, but it's like, why come and be all glammed out just to stand there and, do what you do? But yeah, I was just saying to somebody, I was like, it's crazy that, basically you just have to put on a face, basically. And I'm lazy. I'm not trying to be cute all the time. I just do my foundation, contour, highlight, and keep it moving. So today I actually put effort into my look. And I think it's cute. I actually like it. It's a very natural look. and nothing too crazy on the cheeks. Just a little blush, little something. But yeah, just here relaxing until I go to work. They're saying that schools are going to be shut down tomorrow and things like that, and the train is going to stop running early. It's going to be serious. It's going to be a serious storm, because the last time they shut it down was Hurricane Sandy, when they shut down the trains. So everybody be safe and stock up, because push come to shove, we ain't going nowhere tomorrow. But until my next vlog, I will see you guys later. Thanks for the love and the support and all the views, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.